Hey, everybody. Today I'm going to take a step back from real estate and take you through a personal journey of mine, getting my hip replacement. Now, I know I'm all about navigating you through transitions, whether it's buying a new home or life's big moments, and this was a big moment in my life. I know a lot of you out there are wondering, you might be on the road to a hip replacement and you're wondering what you can expect. Well, stay tuned. We're going to dive into it hard. So if you or a loved one is about on the road to getting a hip replacement, this just might help. Thanks and stay tuned. Let's get real. Before surgery, I was a ball of nerves. I'm not just talking about the surgery itself, but also the what ifs. What if it didn't go as planned? What if I didn't get back to doing what I love to do? Sound familiar? If you're feeling that way too, trust me, you're not alone. It's okay to feel that way. I just would always try to look for the good things and the things that were going to work out. I also want to give a huge shout out to my surgeon, the anesthesiologist who made sure I was comfortable, and the entire support staff who guided me every step of the way. I honestly couldn't have done it without their care and expertise. If you're considering this surgery, know that you too will have an incredible team rooting for you. We want to make that personal shout out to Boulder Orthopedic Surgery Center. You guys have been awesome. Well, getting my surgery was rough. I definitely waited way too long. Some of my personal tips: first of all, when you need to get your hip replaced, don't wait around. I waited. My surgeon actually came out and said you should have got it 3 years ago. Second, get a support staff. If you've got people at home and at not just in the surgery center, but home too, you need to have a support staff. My wife and my daughter have absolutely had my back every step of the way. Gotten me more ice and little piddly things and pick things up for me and help me out in ways that are immeasurable. So that support staff at home is going to be huge. Um, Also, it's never quite as bad as you think it's going to be. I really kind of look forward to it. So in my mind, I always look towards the positive. I look towards the forward to the surgery because I know that after the surgery, I'm on the road to recovery. Recovery is just a matter of following through on the process, just like throwing a back fist reverse punch 10 million times for competition. I'm just going to do those little things that are going to help me get back. And I also want to realize and be honest with myself. I'm 55 now. This is my second hip replacement. I am not going to be able to do the things that I could do before, but I am going to be able to go and enjoy life, hopefully pain-free. And actually, bottom line is, hey, if I can sleep again, that's going to help so much. Of course, it wasn't all sunshine. Recovery has had its challenges: pain management, frustration when progress feels too slow. But here's the thing: the good far outweighs the bad. I'm back to living my life at least without constant pain, and to me, that's priceless. So, if you're considering a hip replacement or just curious about the process, know that there's light at the end of the tunnel. If you've had a hip replacement surgery, please share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. People will be love to have them. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. I have now had 2 hip replacement surgeries, 15 years apart, so I've got pretty good experience with the process. Also, please like and subscribe for this channel. If you like this content and you want to see it again, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.